everyone, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. So today the setup is a little bit different. I just want to do a quick reading because I just, something came to me like I should do this reading as it is end of the year. Or whenever you're watching, it is definitely applicable to you. So today we are going to look into the thing that what the main thing that you need to release in order to get all the abundance that wants to come towards you. Like it could be a blockage, a challenge, a thought process, whatever it is. So we will look into the things that what you need to release. One thing, or it could be like 2, 3, 4 things, but let's see what comes for you. Okay, for for few people, it's just one thing which is blocking everything, and for few it's more than. So I will tell you that it's more then, or you need to get step by step, or it's just one thing, or whatever it is, we will look into that also. So here is the option that I'm giving you, and then we will use the chakra cards, and this is the chakra cards and the tarot. Okay, so we will use these cards, and here is the option that you need to choose from. Okay, so let's see. So here are the 4 options for today's reading. Teddy bear is option number 1. Option number 2 is this colorful thing, and option number 3 is the fish, royal fish, and option number 4 is this butterfly and the flower. Okay, so whatever is calling to you guys, go for that. You can go for more than one reading, so be like whatever calls your whatever, listen to intuition. Okay, so bye, let's start. Mwah. Okay, so people who have chosen this teddy bear, let's see what's your blockage is. Okay, first of all, from this teddy bear, I'm getting this is something from childhood. You're bearing this thing from a very initial stage of your life. So let's see what wants to come. What is the major blockage that pile number 1 is facing, and what they need to release actually. What pile number 1 need to release? Queen of Pentacle. Okay, so it could be first word which is coming to me is a mother issue. It could be like you didn't feel supported and cared, and like there is something, your inner child is not satisfied and not feeling protected. Plus maybe you have felt that in your early stages of life you lack some prosperity, you lack some kind of security, protection. So you are feeling maybe you are not safe, or people will not take care of you, or you need to do everything on your own. Like there is no expectation from anyone, or even if you have expectation, you are not vocal enough for that. So I'm getting a feeling here that there is a need for you to be vocal about what you want, so that the abundance, this sun can come towards you. Okay, let's see more. Let's see what more wants to come for you. The pile number 1. So let's see what wants to come for you from this deck. Okay, the facade and forgiveness. So again, there is some, the parenting thing is there, which is not being addressed in a right way. So there is like no dependency. You are just showing a facade that you can do everything is fine, everything is controlled, you can take care of everything, and nothing is bothering you. Whatever happen, you can take care of it. Okay, so there is a facade that you can take care of it, but you're not, because you're not forgiving the things like this care, this protection, this love that you didn't got. Now you're like, no one was there, so I don't need. Okay, I can take care of it, but I feel that you are unable to take care of it. So the moment you will delegate your issues, your problems, what you are not understanding, whatever is bothering you, if something cannot be cured or taken care of, just sharing. There is a need of sharing that you need to do, because Queen of Pentacles do the sharing thing, and you're not doing the sharing. I am feeling like you're not sharing your stuff, and you need to do that. Okay, and the deck is impartiality. You are being impartial with you. Plus, you know, it's like still you feel like people should care, but I will not be vocal about it. Like, you know, you don't want to feel rejected, you don't want to feel abandoned, you don't want to feel like, you know, I asked it, even then I didn't, you know, I am not getting it, so it will feel more bad. Yeah, I can feel that. So don't be that. Don't feel like impartial to yourself, and don't be impartial to others. The people who care about you, they want to know that what you want in, you know, from them. So be like, be there. They want to be there. They want to share your issues. They want to share all the bad stuff that you are facing. Plus they want to share their good stuff with you. So don't feel bad there. Okay, so that was your biggest blockage, guys. So please release it. And I want to share one thing. Like, I uploaded a video a few days back, or maybe few weeks back, that, you know, you deserve love. So I think you should watch it, because you need to know whatever I have said in that video. You need to know that, you need to hear that. So go for that. It was just maybe, you know, you can just go a little bit down, you know, just scroll down a little bit, you will get a video, you deserve love. So listen to that. It's a very small 5 minutes video, so go for that. Okay, so all the very best. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chetna Raj, and I hope you like it. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment below. And if you want a personal reading, I'm not giving a full-blown personal readings right now. I'm not available for that for the January part. But if you want a small reading in a written format or in an audio format, then you can book that for the January. After that, I will book all the readings that I used to, you know, take. So go for it. Okay, bye. Hello Palamitu. So who have chosen this colorful kind of option? Let's see what's your biggest blockage. What do you need to release so you can welcome all your abundance that wants to come towards you, you know, because everybody is deserving of happiness, abundance, love, and every good thing, you know. And that's not just a theory, it's practical, so trust me. So, oh, it wants to come so fast. Ooh, Knight of Wands. Okay, and Eight of Wands. So this is talking so straight to me. You need to give up the speed, guys. You need to give up the rush thing. You need to give up that, you know, something it needs to come fast towards you. Because you need to learn a lesson of patience, that you are delegating, you know, you don't want to learn it. But I think you need to learn the lesson of patience and lesson of the process. That process, you know, everything like needs process, and process takes time. You need to enjoy the process. I think you need something very, very fast in your life, but I don't think so it will come until you learn the lesson of patience. Now, if you tell me that I'm being patient because I'm not getting it from a very long time, still I am being there, like waiting for it. But waiting is another deal, and being actively, you know, passively patient, like, you know, it will come when the right time, when the divine time, and I'll do other things till then. It's like you are just giving all the other stuff out from the door, and you're just concentrating on one or two things that you highly, highly desire. But I think you need to give up the speed. Okay, so it could be a speed of getting into a relationship. It could be a speed of like growing your channel. It could be a speed of growing your business. It could be a speed of like, I want some things to grow fast. But I think if you want a strong foundation for a tree, it takes time. So give this thing a time. I also, okay, so Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Wands and Eight of Pentacles. So this is a slow moving card, the Virgo card, but definitely grow into a Ten of Pentacles. That means a highly prosperous life. Okay, now let's have a chakra card. what Parliament 2 needs to release. Confusion. Okay, one more thing which was coming to me, like, you know, at that time, like speed. Then it's like you decide that you want this, decide, or, you know, whatever it is, like you want this thing, and then you feel like I'm not getting it. So is it meant for me? I should go for it. I should do the work for it. I should continue my work for it. I think you should. I think you should. You should release this confusion, because whatever you are desiring, it's meant for you. I'm feeling that. Whatever you are desiring, it's your purpose. Sagittarius card, purpose card. So it's your purpose, but you need to release the confusion, because you are very inconsistent in your efforts. You are very inconsistent in your manifestation. You are getting very inconsistent in this desire. So you need to release that thing, that it's not for you. Maybe it's not for you. There is a confusion of, you know, what's at the peak, because what you desire is, it is at the peak. It is what you want. So you don't need to feel like, you know, is it is my purpose or not? This is the person I am going to be forever or not? Or there's a lot of confusion in your life, and plus you want things to grow fast, and this is very, 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 very toxic combination. Like, you want things to grow fast, you are very confused that what you want. Even if it will grow fast, at some point of time you feel like, I don't think so, I want it. So you need to be very, very fixed. You need to be very, very decisive here. You need to be very, very patient here. And that's why this process includes that releasing of confusion and releasing of impatience. That's the process. So release that thing and you'll get to the peak. You'll get to the peak, guys. You deserve it. You, yes. Okay, so if it's a sign or a fire sign, that is going to be very special message. Joy. That's on the peak. Joy. You're enjoying it. Yeah. Okay, so let's wrap it up, guys, on that note. I hope this video give you some glimpse of what you need to release. If you like it, like my video, comment below, let me know, and definitely subscribe to my channel. It gives me boost, like, you know, people are liking what I'm doing, so I should do more and more and more and more. So yeah, if you understand Hindi, there is another channel for me, another channel, so you can go there and join me. The link is in the description box below. If you want a personal reading, you can book that, but I'm right now in January. If you are looking at this video in January, then I'm just taking the written and the audio reading. If you want a video reading, contact me at the end of January. So we will do that. Okay, so bye. Mwah. Hello, if you've chosen this fish, this royal fish, beautiful pout, let's see what you need to release to get the most out of your abundance. So for the pile number 3, let's clear the energy of the deck, and then we will get straight into your reading. Can you see that whatever is happening for your good? Okay, so Magician. Okay, and there's a Fool. So 2 major arcana. You need to release something which is very, very, like, you deserve it, you will get it. So you need to release the thought that I should take my step forward towards it or not. You know, you should do it or not. You should go for it or not. You should desire it or not. It is a message very, very similar to the pile number 2. So there is a wrong manifestation which is going on. You're manifesting something wrong, something you don't want. It's like, I want happiness, but I want that guy who is very toxic to me, who is very toxic, है ना? So how can you get the happiness if you are getting that guy? And if you want, you know, desiring very opposite thing, it is like cancelling things out, you know. So you need to be very careful that what actually you are desiring, it's not cancelling out each other. Like, I want to settle in desert area, like what does it say? Rajasthan, Jaipur in India. But I want a sea facing house. How can you get that in a deserted area? There is no sea in the deserted area. You know, are you getting the metaphor that I'm giving? Like, it's to cancelling effects. So how you know you are manifesting something very opposite. So be very, very clear. I would suggest, like, you know, write everything what you want and then see how it is cancelling out. You know, if you are desiring a person and you want to be happy, and you don't smile when you are with someone, you know, then how can that person make you happy? It's so cancelling effect that is going on here, and you need to release that thing and move on from that, you know, because you deserve good stuff. Definitely good stuff. Why? Queen of Pentacles. Care, abundance, security, motherly feeling, nature, wifey energy. So you deserve all those things. Sun. What else? But you are self-sabotaging. I'm telling you, you are doing something which is going really, really cancelling effect. It's like cancelling out your abundance. I'm sorry. What do you need to release, pile number 3? Just a sec. So you got despondent. I'm getting a feeling like in somewhere in your heart, you feel like you don't deserve better. Maybe you're not doing things right, so you don't deserve that thing. But I think that's what you are manifesting. If you are thinking that you don't deserve something, you don't deserve, you know, good stuff, and you're not working hard enough for it, then ultimately you will not get it. And you're not doing something, you know. Sometimes what happens, like, we beat up ourselves so hard, like, even if we are giving our 90%, we just equate it to 0, like it's equal to 0. I'm not doing enough. But you don't know how much you are doing until the result will come. Okay, so be open for the result. Don't beat yourself so hard, because you are, you know, you are doing great. I guess what I'm getting here, you are doing great, guys. If you are just giving your 90% for some reason, like you are stressed out, you are this or that, there is some issue going on in your family, or there is issue going on inside you, there is something around you which is not right. I mean, if that stuff is there, then, you know, it's not your fault. If you're giving your 100% that you can give in that moment of time, beside you know, equalizing everything or taking care of everything which is very, very you know, very, very necessary for you, then you are giving your 100%. So be open for the things that wants to come towards you, because there's a lot which wants to come towards you. Okay, so don't self-sabotage this stuff, because this is really beautiful. Trust me, this is really, really beautiful. Okay, so that was the thing that you need to release. Don't beat up yourself so hard, guys. You deserve good stuff. Okay, so if you like this video, like that video, thumbs up, give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And if you want a personal reading, I'm just taking audio and written reading right now in the January. By the end of January, I will open the slots for the video readings also. So if you want that, you can go for that. Okay, so bye. I love you. Take care of yourself. Hello, pile number 4. If you've chosen this butterfly and this beautiful flower, so let's see. What's the biggest thing that you need to release? What is blocking your abundance? What is blocking the good stuff that wants to come towards you? Tell me the keys to the happiness for the pile number 4. You know, I am a little bit in a good mood today. I was not thinking about doing the readings for the January, but I feel, you know, this is very, very topic which, you know, this is like came to me like I should do this. So let's see. It was so fast. So fast. Okay, so first of all, you chose this thing. I think there is a transformation which is needed right now. It's needed, you know, from the caterpillar to the butterfly thing. It's needed, but we will look into that thing, that what you are doing right now that is not making that thing happen, because that wants to come. I told you. Four of Swords. Okay, so for few of you, I'm feeling like you need to rest a little more. Like if you are sleeping 6 hours, I think you should sleep for 8 hours. Okay, or if you are very beating yourself for the, like, you need to exercise to do this or that, all those works, all those things, you need to balance a lot of stuff. I think you need to release a need for doing everything in a one go. Okay, if you are there, you're healthy, at some point of time you will do it if you are passionate towards it, right? But don't burn yourself out. Okay, just a second. I was just sipping some water. It's good. Sip some water, hydrate yourself. I mean, it's something like you need to self-care, and it's a good kind of self-care, like eating right, resting some more time, social detox, or hydrate yourself. You know, go for some walk. If you can't go for some walk, at least do some breathing exercise, like, you know, what they say, Anulom Vilom is good. Or if you are not doing anything because of your tired mind, because there's a lot of stuff that went through your mind, and it is like you feel so foggy. And just today I was watching a video, like how to like charge your mind. I don't know, but there is a Better Ideas. There is a channel called Better Ideas, and today just he posted a video on like how to remove the fogginess from your mind. So I was just listening to that. He is having a lot good videos. So go for that channel. I highly recommend to go for that channel. It will make your life very easy. And I will try to post the link below also for that channel. So definitely go for that, Better Ideas. The guy is superb. Okay, so if you're feeling very tired mentally and you're unable to do anything like you want to accomplish, okay, so that means you're doing something wrong in the mentally, like, you know, you're doing something wrong and you need to do things right in the process. Like, I think that video will actually help you a lot. I think that you should definitely go for that video. I will try to link that. I will definitely link that video, so go for that. I am unable to explain to you guys that, you know, how much you are taking yourself for granted. There's a lot that you can accomplish. There's a lot that you can learn, that you can accomplish, you can learn, you can put the foundation for, you can start a lot of stuff. But I think you are not interested in good stuff. Yep, you're not interested in good stuff, and that's really bad stuff. Good stuff, growth. I told you there is some growth, some foundation, some learning, some accomplishments. Balance. Oh, you're not balancing. That's what I told you. You're not balancing right. You know, you're not taking care of yourself. You are not balancing things, like prioritizing the right stuff, or you're doing things wrong in the wrong way. One thing which he told me, and it is very like everybody says, is like, don't check your phone first thing in the morning. Don't do stuff which is very entertaining first thing in the morning. Do stuff which is hard, you know. And I was getting that thing from many personal development videos, and that thing really helped. Trust me, it really helps. You know, one more thing I want to tell you: if you want to do something, if you cannot do the 100% of it, at least try to do the 10%, at least try to do 20%. Okay, like for example, if you are not able to do the exercise for the 40 minutes or the 1 hour, then at least do for the 10 minutes. You know, Chloe Ting videos are awesome. Go for that channel if you are interested in exercise. She just put 10 minutes HIIT, and you can just burn off a lot of calories in just 10 minutes. And one more thing I want to tell you, once you will start the 10-minute thing, trust me, you will go for the 20 and 30 minutes. It's just the inertia that we, want and that we need. Actually, need is the right word. And make a plan kind of stuff, because I think you are unable to balance things in a right way. Write everything which is in a prioritized way, and then plan for the things, and be very, very realistic. I don't think you are being realistic. Okay, so there is something that you are not giving yourself credit for, and you deserve that thing, and you are just letting that thing go like that. And I don't want that for you, because you deserve this you deserve to be this butterfly who is beautiful. And there is a yellow color which is like motivation. It is like solar chakra. Okay, so that is coming for you guys. I hope this will help you. Let me know how it resonated with you. I will love to know. Like my video and subscribe to this channel if you are new to my channel. And if you want a personal reading, if you're watching this in the January 2021 or in December 2020, so I am available for the audio and written reading right now by the end of January. If you want a video reading from me, you can book it in the end of January. I will let you know, guys, that when I will be available. So let's see what happens. Things are very unpredictable, so get things aligned in the very realistic and possible way. Don't beat yourself up, because if you beat yourself up, you will discard a lot of good stuff that wants to come towards you. You will feel very tired. You will feel very like, I don't want it, I don't want to do anything like that. It's like you reject a lot of stuff which is good for you, because you feel like, I am not able to do that much of work, I'm unable to do that much of thing, I don't have that kind of mental space for this thing, I'm not ready for it, I cannot take it, all those kind of stuff. So be very mindful. Okay, that's the thing. So bye. Mwah.